Good afternoon. Shall we start?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So group 4 members are here. All? Group 4 members are present in the class. Only 13 participants have arrived. So let's wait for some. So you all have read this article. That was the assignment given for group 4. Other groups. So from group 4, who all are here? And you have also identified your group leaders, other group members. Group 1, 2, 3. क्या हो गया, कोई कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है? All are silent. I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
So have you decided who will be your group leader?
Hello,
Yes,
good
sir, we have
afternoon,
decided we will initiate you with the mail, sir.
So I'm waiting for that. So once that is done, then we will go for this WhatsApp group formation. So there are a few upcoming activities, maybe industry interaction and planning for some of these things. So that can be also included in the course. Okay, that is the process planning for taking it forward. So now from the group 4, I have gone through the submission of the lecture notes. Actually, the group 4 submissions, when I was going through, 3 of the students have submitted, Biswajit, Rahul, and Madhusmita. Are they here? Are you all guys here in this classroom?
Yes, sir, present.
So your name is Madhusmita, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you have summarized the case. Okay. Now there was a question. It was answered by whom? Biswajit or Rahul? Are you guys here? Hello. Are your team members here, Madhusmita? Or they have not yet joined? Sir, due to some network issue, can you please allow to submit? The time is exceeded. Okay. You see, as your group has to do this submission after interaction among yourself only. Now I have received the 3 submissions. These 3 are actually not giving a unified picture with respect to the group submission that has happened with other groups. Okay, like there is a single report with all your names, the answers are in place, all the group members are in sync with each other. Now, when you submit, that is how, every person is different in this world. Even every entrepreneur is also different in this world. But when you are submitting an assignment as a group, it should be represented as only once, like someone has submitted a summary, someone has submitted an answer to a question, someone has taken a snap of the report and has uploaded in the lecture notes. So that is the reason why I have asked you people to email me the draft report. Once I go through it, then you people come with the discussion or the presentation. See, if you people don't find time to prepare a report, you can present few slides. Okay, PPT बनाना बहुत easy है. एक दो slides आप बनाएंगे, in that idea is reflected, and it is easy for presentations also. You can convert that PPT also into PDFs. Okay, that is also possible. So थोड़ा serious हो जाए. नहीं तो क्या होगा ना, if this is the way it is going on, see, every person needs sufficient marks. Okay, now 50 marks are in your hand to score. There will be a bigger case study down the line in the unit. I will be assigning for 20 marks. If this is the way you are going to deal with these small assignments of 2 marks, then how you are planning, or your group is planning for this 20-mark assignment? So you people need to think about it. Okay. Now coming to the study part. Okay. So as the time will come, I will be inviting your group to represent this. And I hope you have, your group has also made this WhatsApp group among yourself.
Yes, sir. I was what? Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. There is a WhatsApp group in us.
तो आप लोगों ने अपने अंदर डिस्कशन किया था इस आर्टिकल के बारे में?
Yes, sir. A little bit discussion was there between us.
पूरा पढ़ाई किया? 3-4 पेज का आर्टिकल है, बाकी तो सब डिजाइन ही है उसमें. 9 पेजेस का दिखता है. कवर पेज तो हार्वर्ड का चला गया, फिर उसमें एक डिजाइन पेज भी है, ऐसा चला गया. Okay, the content is only about 3-4 pages. Rest is bibliography. So what exactly you people have discussed? Like, what are the parameters? Most of the things you might not have understood with respect to the framework that is given there. A patent framework is there, but some of the things you would have understood, like in the article, the details about the company is there, what they do, how they went for anomaly thing, where was the opportunity lying. Those things are actually not there in the answers which I have gone through. One question I have asked in specific, but it should have cited something from that article also. So anyways, we will come to that. So you people decide among yourself, like, who is going to present this report which you had submitted in pieces. Like somewhere is a summary, somewhere is an answer. So you have decide among yourself that how you are going to share, or you want to make multiple hosts. I have no issues. I will be taking it step by step. Okay, like if you become a co-host, you can share the summary. Then the other co-host can also share another screen and can represent the answer to the class. So we will come to that. So before that, let me also discuss about the opportunity part with respect to the traits and skills, okay, that is usually required when an entrepreneur thinks about starting a business. Okay, so we discussed about the enterprises, the organizations with respect to the society, the framework, what exactly are the categories with respect to that the business can think of coming up there, what exactly are the basic traits that are required for a person to become an entrepreneur. So we have discussed about that. Now coming to the specific traits and the skills. So how do entrepreneurs find opportunities? Okay, finding an opportunity to set up or start a new business, that is always required. Okay, unless, because that is easy. If you have an opportunity, you will be able to convert it into a business. So that is easy. Okay. Now, when we look at that, there is Scumpter. Okay. Scumpter's definitions describes 5 basic ways that an entrepreneur can find an opportunity for creating a new business. Okay. So the first one is using a new technology to produce a new product. Then using an existing technology to produce a new product. Okay, using an existing technology to produce an old product in a new way. Okay, sometimes the old wine comes in a new bottle. Okay, so existing technology to produce an old product that is there in a new way. So packaging change ho gaya, look and feel changed ho gaya. Like you talk about this refurbished. Okay, the same cell phone that has gone there and has come back with a refurbished look and new feel or something like that, although they are treated as second-hand products or refurbished ones. So that is also possible. Okay, that happens in fast food. But something which is there, let's say, you might have seen most of the people, this industry and this wood industry or somewhere, and there's renovations industry. When the old house is there and the interior is not that good, and you have seen this carpenter used to come and then redecorate the entire house and it looks something else. Okay, like the ceiling, the staircases, the floor, and that's how. So these things also come back to life. There are, because due to the advancement in the technology, advancement due to this drilling machine, this automatic driller is there. So some people are here from civil, from mechanical, and also they like to understand. There is an old vintage car, okay, used by a great king, or sometimes like 18th century, 19th century old car, okay, and that is brought back to life, okay, that is brought back to life, and it is a vintage collection, and with new seat cover, new drive, new steering wheel, new gearbox, something has been changed, and but the vintage look is maintained, okay. So this is also possible. So using the modern technologies, they are also possible. Okay. Now we are talking about also, so these kinds of things are also existing, okay, because of the advancement in technology. Now coming to this point number 4, so finding a new supply of resources that might enable the entrepreneur to produce a product more economical. Now something that was very expensive. Best example I would like to give is ISRO versus NASA. So nowadays, you people are coming across a lot of things that are happening in space, okay? And India was not self-reliant in space technology long time ago. We were depending on Russians to give us this spacecraft engines or rocket engines, cryogenic engines and all. Now, that technology was not existing, even in nuclear power, okay? We were depending on international platforms where these things are possible, feasible with other countries who are advanced in these fields from us actually. And slowly when we started looking at this alternative mechanisms, okay, like something which can be found in India, which can be developed inside India, then we started doing experiments and successfully came with this Kaveri engine, okay, that is used for now flying this indigenous built aeroplanes, that is Tejas. So Mk1, Mk2, but anyways, we bought these engines from General Electric from US to get it fitted on Kaveri. So that is what's possible, okay. Similarly, if you look at, okay, whether it is economical or not, based on these like cost and benefit. So based on this, you have to check whether these was available. So when industry comes to a state to set up a plant or to find a viable location to set up its manufacturing unit. So in terms of that, they all will be also looking for the supply of the raw materials. And if the raw material is somewhere around 200 kilometers away from where the manufacturing is going to happen, then you think about the logistics cost. So you have to put a different logistics supply chain altogether so that the raw material can be excavated from these mines, then it is going to come to the manufacturing plant, gets purified, then you can produce steel, something like that. So how about finding a suitable land which is nearer to the supply zones and put our manufacturing unit there, then you can save costs, okay? And also, let's say, there can be an alternative. We are using something with respect to the panels manufacturing, okay? Earlier, we were depending on the imports from China or some components with respect to solar panels. So we were not self-reliant in that technology earlier, but now solar manufacturing things are also happening in India, even in Odisha, in Indonesia. The government has come up with schemes to set up the clusters there. So that is also possible. So that's how. So the policies, the framework, you look at the social dynamics, the ecosystem before going to set up a entrepreneurial venture. Then developing a new market for an existing product. Now product is ready. Everything has happened from 1 to 4. Now I have to look at the market. The market is indigenous, that is in the local. The market is in India, that is, let's say, national. I want to go global. So let's say the nearby countries, because if the demand, and you have to check whether the demand for these products are also there or not, like let's say in Sri Lanka, maybe in Bangladesh, maybe in Nepal. But how much it is going to cost me if I'm going to sell my products, but the currency value of INR is stronger in these countries, and vis-a-vis if I'm selling it in some European countries, let's say in France, let's say in Spain, let's say in Italy, let's say in Germany, if it's possible, then probably I'm going to make profit, because export will be beneficial for me if I'm doing business there. If in US, okay, then people always look at these countries, but can we look at somewhere in Middle East if it is possible? Yeah, because the currency, if you look at Kuwait, Kuwait has the strongest currency. If you can do some business in Kuwait, then probably more profitable, because dinar somewhere it comes around 240 INR. 1 dinar gives me that value, so probably I will be more profitable. Okay, if I'm doing somewhere in Bahrain, so these are some of the countries, if you look at this currency is 170, 180, somewhere they are also in the exchange. So going to Middle East also is a good option, provided the market is there. Okay, but now that is a petroleum crude market. And if you talk about agriculture and all, now they have also started doing it. Like they are trying to make these deserts into agriculture field, and also that is also possible. So think about it. Okay, if you have a product, then you have to also think, and then you have to ideate, you have to generate ideas, and then you have to also look at these opportunities. If the opportunity is there, then your idea has to actually fit that opportunity. Okay, so idea is a part of that opportunity. Okay, but it is not the complete opportunity. Getting me? So now coming to that. So as I was talking to you all about the 4 essential qualities of an opportunity is, it has to be attractive. Okay, it has to be timely, it has to be durable, and it has to be anchored in a product, service, or business that creates or adds values for its buyer or end user. So based on these 4 key components, the opportunity is justified more than an idea, okay, rather than just an idea which is lying with you. If it gets a shape, it gets a spear, it gets a shield, it gets a armor or a chest vest to fight the war. The entrepreneur have all these things that is clubbed and presented as a viable product with a value, with a return on investment that is put it up in that in terms of this time, maybe cost, maybe so many things. Okay, so if that is possible, then this opportunity becomes real time. Feasibility is possible with respect to converting into a specific business. So now coming to what are the creatively explored changes in our world where entrepreneurs have become bigger, if you look at. Okay, so successful people, if you talk about Microsoft. Okay, now Microsoft, as per alignment with Scumter's definition, if we talk about all those 5 points that we were looking at, and also the figure. So the changes can be technological, like explosion in computer technology that led Bill Gates and Paul Allen to start Microsoft. Those were early days. Okay, they were using there's operating systems, black and white. Okay, so DOS command systems, okay, text operating systems. So from there, this evolution started, and now we are in an era of Windows. We are in an era of open source softwares. Okay, and we have seen the growth of mainframes. Now we are looking at beyond those era of big servers, big computers, physical locations to virtual locations, from Web 2.0 to Web 3.0 to Web 4.0, industrial revolutions to Industry 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. Now we are talking about Industry 4.0, where we are talking about artificial intelligence, IoTs. Okay, so you can program machine learning. So okay, these are now realities. Now you people are studying these courses because these are aligned with the industry's need and requirement. So that is how things are changing. Okay, now cloud computing. These were not affordable those days, but penetration of network, bandwidth, feasibility and affordability of these hardware components, okay, and cybersecurity also becoming a norm and the standard practices due to which these things are becoming realistic and these are becoming viable and affordable to the people also, the consumer also, the buyer also, or the user in the business also. So now coming to the next one, nothing changes faster than technology. Okay, now we have seen the transition. Okay, when we started using this cell phone, do you remember, like in your generation, like in your class, do you guys really can think when you started using a cell phone, at what age you will be? Can anyone? Group 4, anyone? At what age you started using a cell phone?
Sir, 10 to 12.
10 से 12 साल, ठीक है. And what kind of phone you were using at that time? What is your good name?
Sir, Tushar Bihari.
Tushar, ठीक है. Tushar ji, you tell me, like at the age of 10 and 12, in between that, when you started using a cell phone, so what kind of cell phone it was? It was a smartphone, it was just keyboard?
Not smartphone, they were like Symbian based Nokia phones, generally
Achha.
that we came to our house.
Okay.
So that we are using, and later on when the Android came into the market, then Android phone
You started using. So Tushar, that was a dual SIM phone or a single SIM phone?
Sir, obviously that is single SIM, sir. That time a dual SIM is not supported.
Which company SIM you were using?
BSNL, most probably.
BSNL. So that was only because at that time BSNL was there. Not so many players in the market of providing the services of SIM card. Okay, that was 2G, 3G.
Sir, 2G only. That time 3G is not.
So let's think about something very recently. Okay, just 10 to 12 years and how the transitions has really happened. That is very, very recent. Now you are almost like 21 now, 21, 22 or somewhere 20s.
Yes, sir. Now I'm 21.
21. So almost like 10 years, like a decade.
Yes, sir.
So let's look at one decade. Okay, most of the students in this class would be your age. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now talking about these. Okay. Now you all people have seen this dongle. You know, there's a USB drive.
Yes,
with a dongle and you put a SIM and then connect to the. Lot of ads used to come. Okay, like you can connect to Wi-Fi and plan download charge. So do you remember like this small dongle, like 3G dongle that BSNL started launching, okay, with Chinese products and all, Huawei and all that they came.
Yes, sir,
before that, there was also this Reliance and Airtel. They also were giving this with a big, as a phone jaisa hi hota tha. This was like a phone which with an antenna. Have you ever used? I don't know, but I was actually using. Okay, and that's how. So now things have become so handy. Even laptops have become so innovative that you can put your SIM card inside that. Okay, and connect to the network 24/7. You don't need to carry a separate phone if you want to dedicate a SIM to your internet connectivity activity and also to take calls. Okay, now talk about something with respect to this Apple watches. Okay, you have seen these watches in your hand. It just looks like a computer in your hand. So digital watches now. Earlier when you were 10 to 12 years old, at that childhood days, you might have watched your parents wearing these Titan watches, okay, with a steel band and all, and these
analog
were
watches,
analog watches. Yeah, and these were heavier in nature, right?
Yes, sir.
So no one has thought that the transition would happen so fast that this kind of play, these kids used to play with a plastic watch, okay, usually used to come and people wear it, and the timer, the battery operated timing used to come there. Now this, you see how it was got transformed into a digital watch with a smart screen, and it is measuring your heartbeat, pulse. It is also taking your calls from phone to the watch, and you can connect to radio also sometimes, okay, like the channels and all. You can connect to the music also. So how things have got changed and how people's habit is also going to getting changed over the time. Okay, now you look at the senior citizens. Okay, you were young, let's say 10 years ago you were there, okay, and you were using this 2G phone at that time. And think about your grandparents, if you have come across. Those people were not carrying smartphones. True? Yes or no? Because the technology has not come into the market. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
look at this current juncture. You people are also using smartphone. Your parents are also using smartphone. Your grandparents are also using smartphone. And vis-a-vis, due to this COVID and COVID-19 scenarios, we all are using online services. Booking online, buying online, using a lot of emails. Now that has also got died out. We are using WhatsApp, we are using these apps for payment. Bank is also available in these apps like Paytm, and also how quickly this market has got transition. Yes or no? So 138 crore people in India, if I create an innovative thing and it is used by 138 crore people in India, with a price tag of, let's say, 1 INR per day, and I am only spending 50 paisa, which is not there in the market right now. Somewhere earlier times it was there for denomination 1 rupee 50 paisa we used to pay, okay, but now it has gone out. So it's all like 10 rupees, 11 rupees, 12 rupees. No one is charging 12.50, okay, unless and until it is digitally paid. आजकल मिलना मुश्किल है. Yes or no?
Yes,
So,
sir. Yes, sir.
so things are changing. Things are changing in the business. So I am giving this example. You have to understand, and you have to find out where you can really exploit these changes. Yes, those organizations who are innovative enough, who can exploit these changes, are always turning themselves out as market leaders. That also happened in that article. Okay, and those are actually known as anomalies. Okay, you should be able to find the anomalies. So to find that, you need to read a lot. You need to read a lot with respect to the current business happenings, the trade magazines, and also you have to visit the websites. So I've given some examples here. If you want to note it down, I'm giving you 1 minute. Or probably it will be remaining as a recorded player. So you all people can also visit by the time you want to listen what exactly I'm trying to say in this class. So TechCrunch is also a good website you people can visit and get yourself updated with respect to the happenings in technology. NextWeb also is a very good website, Massable.com and the Verge.com. These are good websites with business and technology inputs. So if the people want to spend some time, we'll be learning a lot. These are actually usually every time gets updated. Okay, so that's about it. And how do entrepreneurs create business ideas? So as you people are listening me, you have to also have this acumen or the patience to listen to others, because listening makes a person successful. That is the art. If you don't listen, if you don't listen to your advisors, if you don't listen to your customers, if you don't listen to your mentors, or let's say the idols, parents, or maybe the philosophers in life, you will be unable to go ahead, because because if you listen also 100 things, you may not remember 100 things. But if you listen those 100 things 100 times, you might be able to remember 60% or 70%, 80%. Probability is there. All the 100 you can remember. So, if my learning capability with respect to memorization capability is weak, okay, weak in terms of it is not at that par with respect to a smart student, I'm just having an average kind of a mindset, because the mindset is all about doing activities and creating the ventures and putting it into something, but I don't memorize everything. Okay, so what I should do, I should keep on listening repeatedly. That is the reason why in Sanskrit, if people chant a Vedic mantra, okay, so the Vedic mantra is taught to you like Om Bhur Swaha Tat Savitu Varanyo Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodaya. If you keep on chanting every time, so there is an impact happen. Okay, and if you start feeling that impact with yourself, and that is a base memory, okay, when the child starts learning at the age of 5, 6, or 7, so there is a base memory. Name of your father goes to that base memory. Name of your mother goes to that base memory. In the lifetime, you never forget. So if you listen, because after like an age, there is a cognitive intelligence theory, okay? Like 5 to almost 15 or 16, your mind is in a learning stage, and you probably would be acquiring at a very faster rate. Now it has gone to like 3 to 4 years in this younger generation. So who are coming next after you, their learning appetite is at a very fast rate. So from age of 3, almost like age of 15, 16, okay, you people will be in a development stage of your mind, okay? Mind has becomes 100%. After that, it is too difficult to change your habits. It takes a lot of time. So everyone says if you start early, drive slowly, then probably you are going to reach safe. So if this person who is learning this Vedic mantras, it starts at a very early age from childhood, throughout the life, he becomes a very big chanter, okay, you know. So that is possible. But if I tell a person who is in his 50s or 60s, maybe in 40s to practice this with, so probably he will take longer time. He may need 100 times in comparison to a student who is starting at age like 10 times, 15 times, chanting kara diya to ho jata hai. So these things are possible. So listening and practicing, then you have to observe, then also you have to analyze. If these things are possible in your part, then probably you will be able to become a good entrepreneur. Now coming to Peter Drucker, okay, he defined entrepreneur as someone who always searches for change, responds to it, and exploit it as an opportunity. Entrepreneurs are always on the lookout for ways to create businesses from the opportunity of change, okay? So that is the key. So you need to have that knack. Now, where others sees problems, entrepreneurs recognize opportunities. Let's say COVID-19, okay, is problem for everyone, but it became an opportunity for healthcare service providers. It became an opportunity for the weavers, okay, who were preparing these masks. So they immediately changed from this clothing industry to the mask industry. The sanitizer. So who was looking for sanitizer when this COVID-19 breakout? Then the alternative came. No, soap is also good because sanitizers, prolonged use of sanitizers may affect your hand. So that's how. And there are 3 ways to identify an opportunity. That is observing the trends, solving a problem, finding the gaps in the marketplace. Okay. And we need to discuss this article also, right? So let's stop today. Okay, that is what exactly I was talking to you about, the mind theory. So I will be taking this up in the coming class. Not much there. So let's stop here, and then we will take up after discussion with the article. Okay, like how the group has done. Then we will continue. Yes. So group 4. Sir, due to some network issues, can you please allow us to submit? The time is exceeded. See, submitting of this report is can be done also later. No issues with that. Okay, you can do it after because the draft you have already submitted. Final one, you prepare it, make it complete, and then submit it. Yes.
Sir,
So
actually, this in lecture notes, everyone will submit, or anyone from the group member will submit it. And
now coming to that, because you see, in the lecture notes, the assignment I prepared because I had the content available. Okay.
Yes.
Now I assigned it to everyone. So everyone should read. Okay. But the people who are going to represent it, it has to be only one report. It has to be one report with all the team members' names. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And because you all are representing in a group here, right? The presentation is happening here in the group. So you can present a PPT slide, or if you have prepared it in a report format, makes sense. No issues with that. But down the line, improvise. That is my thing, thought process. Okay. That is how you have to take it forward. Yes. So please start with the summary of the article, The Power of Anomaly. Your group, whom I have to make a co-host here. Please raise your hand. Whom should I make the co-host? Madhumita? I'm audible. Tushar?
Yes, sir. Sir,
समरी कौन बोलने वाला है आपके ग्रुप से?
सर वो थोड़ा कंफ्यूज पॉइंट में है अभी।
डिस्कशन कर लेना चाहिए था व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में।
यस सर।
पायल पात्र, आर यू प्रेजेंट देयर? मनीष राज, मणिदीप मुखी, दीक्षांत महापात्र, तुषार बिहारी, शशांक विनीत, विश्वजीत साहू, राहुल कुमार, अविकेत कुमार, स्मितालिन कुष्टी, Madhusmita Gadak. These are the people in group 4 who is going to actually present the summary of the case. Madhusmita, you have submitted. Why don't you present?
Sir, I don't have the in my phone. I don't have the summary in my phone.
क्या है? You don't have?
So I don't have the PPT in my phone.
अच्छा, तो मैं डाउनलोड करके ओपन कर दूं असाइनमेंट से? एक मिनट। 6 submissions. Oh my goodness. सबको नहीं सबमिट करना है, ठीक है? किसका मैं देखूं सबमिशंस में से? पायल पात्रा है तो सबमिटेड। ओके, मैं देखता हूँ क्या दिया है इन्होंने। ओके, दिस वन इज हियर, सो लेट मी ओके। So is the screen visible with respect to this one? पढ़ सक रहे हो या इसको थोड़ा बड़ा करूं? I can make it pop out, right? Still not. Is this visible? Full screen?
Yes, sir.
Power of anomaly. Huh? So this is what is all about. So before going this, okay, now it's in Word file. So you have to justify. Where is that? Mark. Okay. Now when you talk about these, okay, these have to be actually, okay, have to be in one line on this side. Getting me? So ये चीज होना चाहिए. Like it has to be justified. Okay, that is not there. Yes, please continue. What exactly you people have understood or your group has understood? Anyone in your group?
Sir, as described in the article, so anomaly is mostly meant to describe so that, sir, if when something like is understood as irrelevant or unrepresentative, so that is what anomalies is. So
Yeah, continue.
so anomalies are also missed when one does not keep an open mind and does not recognize it in the early stages that this can be a potential idea for business formation. So for example, so if we take the example of now Instagram, so it was first made for just for image sharing, but now it has come up as a major, it has come up for a major source of income for majority of the people. And so is YouTube now also. So by avoiding these kind of anomalies, so the companies are actually, the other companies like they're actually keeping themselves at they're keeping themselves at loss. So anomalies actually are about the reveal what is not ordinary. So it's like someone's trash is another man's treasure. So if a multinational company thinks that farming is a primitive occupation and other like
you are actually going out of the article. So what is the information given in the article? That is my area of interest or the interest of all the participants in this class today. The article tells about something with respect to healthcare business. The article tells us about something with respect to the companies like Apple, Amazon. The article tells us about something with respect to the naming format, like how you name your business, what kind of name you can give, a lot of information is there. So that is actually missing out. That is someone in your team, if they have thoroughly read the article, curiosity with respect to this. Yeah. Please continue. Like how you between an idea and an opportunity. That is also my curiosity. Like I can tell you, in 1994, when Jeff Bezos quit his job in New York City, okay, he was working with an investment firm, and he straightly headed to Seattle. And he had a plan, like in his mind, find an attractive opportunity and launch an e-commerce company. And what he did, he named it as an Amazon. And where is Amazon? Amazon is one of the longest ever, okay, in Africa or any other place. Am I right or am I wrong?
Yes, sir. Right.
Where is Amazon?
Sir.
A student told me Amazon is in online, it is on web. That is true also, right? Yes or no? Because Amazon.com, a lot of people are buying everything online. So we forgot the real Amazon. Okay, Anaconda movie, if people have watched. Okay, now Amazon as a place. Okay, Amazonian forest. So where exactly it is located? No one in your group? Africa.
It's the rainforest. Something.
Rainforest hai. And but if you also check on Google, okay, like where is Amazon as a place, it will always point out to Amazon.com. You know reason why? When the search engine business has also started, okay, they prepare an algorithm with respect to search by picture, search by web locations, search by, and it becomes a practice. Okay, you remember this first search engines when Yahoo started? It appeared in 1995, and the market grew
It
quickly.
was all
with
about the links.
Yes, yes. So now when I'm giving it Amazon as a place, that is what I was trying to do it in Google right now to see what exactly it is reflecting, because I'm going to cite one interesting example. Okay, Yahoo in 1995. Okay, and the market grew quickly for them. I know with the addition of Lycos, Excite, Chats, so those were happening. But when Google entered after Yahoo in 1998, okay, so the sporting advanced with respect to the search technology. Right now, trying to tell you, okay, and the search engine market grew for them, and they become a very big company. But now it has all matured, and because at that time there was a window of opportunity available for them, but now it has become very less. If any other organization, if you look at Bing, okay, Bing is from Microsoft. Now they have slowly captured almost like 30–40% of the market share in comparison to Google. Why? Because Microsoft, being an organization, what they did, they invest a lot of money in this Bing search engines operations. Okay, and it has almost become, it's becoming a follower of Google and trying to eat their market share. So that is where Microsoft has Bing has taken an edge, and they also killed down their Internet Explorer. Okay, now it is Edge browser. Okay, usually all the laptops where Windows operating system is there, it is coming with that. So you need to be focused on what exactly the market, what exactly the example in this article that is there. If people don't read, how exactly will they be able to talk? Yeah. So any other person in the group can support her? Any other person in the group? What is the example with respect to the article? Which company example is given there? That is at the last page. If you have read it, all about using the technology in biotech sector. Okay, anyone from either there's civil or mechanical here? Any student in your group? पढ़ाई करो भाई, 7th सेमेस्टर है आप लोग. आपके ग्रुप में एक है Madhusmita is there. Okay, Madhusmita, about pump technology, it is not mentioned there in the article.
Sir, about Alibaba was there, and Alibaba and
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में भी लोग हैं ना आपके टीम में, तो पेज नंबर 9 में ही बहुत सारा इंफॉर्मेशन. ठीक है, एक मिनट मैं आपको ये वाला स्टॉप कर रहा हूँ. ओके, आई एम शेयरिंग समथिंग. Now this is my window. Okay, Now, let me highlight this case because we will be running out of time if it is not ending on time. Okay. Now, this case all started, okay, by Martin Reeves. So it talks about all the opportunities, that is fine. Okay. Now, when we talk about Intel's former CEO Andy Grove, okay, what he said, when spring comes, snow melts first at the periphery. So that means the opportunity is always at the top. Okay. And then it goes to the bottom side. So there, after reading these assumption models, mental models, you people have to focus on where? Focus on this idea in brief that is given in this article. So article आपने पढ़ा नहीं, okay? That is the key. There is a problem, okay? Why it happens? The solution, okay? So these things. So trends are there. That is what I was talking to you all about in that figure, okay? When I showed you in the slide. Then why it has happened? What are the trends? Like early signals that a trend is emerging because managers are internally focused, or they are unwilling to change their assumptions, or they are uncomfortable with their ambiguity. So companies often do not recognize these big signals, but if a person can recognize it, then they will look for the solutions. Similarly, managers can employ new analytics tools. Okay, in data analysis, we come across a lot of anomalies, but there can be opportunity hidden in that. इसलिए data mining methodologies are still existing. Although you talk about artificial intelligence and data analytics in a bigger way, but these have all their origins principles lying in data mining, data warehousing, data marts. These were earlier. आज भी use होते हैं. Okay, big data warehouses if you talk about. So थोड़ा पढ़िए इसके बाद. Okay, world has changed in a very fast if you talk about. Because I am from a zero level computing background guy, and who has seen last 20-30 years of technology evolution. So there is a model also, okay? If you come to this page, you can see I have already highlighted anomaly spotting using patent citations. So ये चीज आपके summary में दिखना चाहिए था. I have read that summary. It is there. Brooks Automation. Group 4 members, all of you are silent. Zero लेना है तो चुपचाप बैठिए, मुझे कोई इशू नहीं.
मत ध्यान दीजिए ना.
इसका please keep yourself. Hello. So there is a book automation and subsidiary model. Okay, so you have to look at this, what exactly they are trying to do, and how this model has been applied with respect to. I was giving an example with respect to Apple and Amazon. Okay, this was also given here with respect to their machines, innovations, and all. इसके बारे में आपको थोड़ा पढ़ना था. This should have also been there. Okay, now coming to the example which I was talking about. This is actually the example. Okay, how a semiconductor supplier discovered biobanking, okay, as its field and started a business operation. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
पढ़ाई किया है आपके ग्रुप में किसी ने? नहीं किया ना? कितना टाइम लगता है? 20-25 मिनट. See, there is a mark, okay, two marks to be graded. If you have failed to represent it, then your team, all the members got a 0. What should I do? So Brooks Automation, a US semiconductor company manufacturer, sought opportunities in the adjacent market, and it leveraged the core technological capabilities. So that was the scenario when it was happening. And this guy, okay, so as Brooks managers dug into the details, and they found some gap here with respect to this MRI, cryosurgery applications, which was, the technology was not used in those areas, okay, but it was promising that they could venture into this healthcare and medicine sector. So इसको आपको थोड़ा पढ़ लेना चाहिए. This is a very interesting example if you have gone through, okay, and how engineers in the cryo pump and robotics wafer manipulation business, they used it, okay, and precision biobanking to support the life science market. So they ventured into this business that is called life sciences, and they made it successful, and they became the market leader. If you look at this point, okay, that is where I have highlighted this one. Okay, they become a market leader and they grew at 35% over the next decade. So that is how you could have worked on this article and would have represented. If no report was there, a highlighted PDF would have also justified the presentation. This is one way of dealing with class discussions and presentations to save your time. Okay, so that's all about for today. And thank you for your participation. You have to get back to me with the solution in next 3 minutes. What should I do?
Sir, actually, sir, next class, can you give us some 5 to 10 minutes, then we can share our case.
अब तो मैं तो बता दिया पूरा केस,
सर लेकिन
फिर से क्या डिस्कशन करना, फिर तो बोरिंग हो जाएगा ना।
सर इस पे और थोड़ा काम करेंगे, उसके बाद फिर
हाँ,
आपको
मैं आपको एक नया असाइनमेंट दूंगा. My job is done with this case, okay? This article and a little bit of discussion with respect to opportunities and all. This is done.
Okay.
This is done away. Nothing much is there with, because theory I have also discussed. Okay, a lot of things with respect to momentum, robustness, the impact, the market, 2000 में क्या हुआ, Google कैसे आए, some examples B2B and all मैंने बता दी. And there was only this part where you have to keep your focus, okay, and the answer to the question. So it didn't happen. So you people lose 1 mark. Okay, so rest 1 mark is left. So I will be giving you another case, okay, for the coming class.
Okay,
And you people have to do it. Okay, that is of 2 marks. Okay, so that's all. So you have to save your another 1 mark. 1 mark is anyways deducted. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And all the best for your next assignment.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
I'm stopping this. Now coming back to, so we are almost time. 3:20 से शुरू हुआ था ना. So any questions anyone is having till now before I end the session? Probably we will be having another class. Yeah. Any doubts? Anything? No?
Sir, for the next report, can we just highlight the point as you told today? Then we
अब वो
can...
next report में assignment के ऊपर depend करेगा. ठीक है? That may not be an article. So that may be a case or something like that. Depends. ठीक है? It all depends how much window I have. Yes.
Okay.
So once the opportunity is lost, your business is failed, right? The window of opportunity, that is what I was talking to you all about. So anyways, so I expect all the groups, like 9 groups which are there, please nominate your group leader and confirm the same over the email to me on my Gmail. And after that, and also the phone number is required, okay, for all the group leaders. Then we will form this WhatsApp, okay, so that our interactions will be a little bit better. And if there will be doubts or something, I can clarify during my off time also, okay, like free time if I'm having, I will clarify. Okay, that group will be created by me. So after receiving the details, fair enough.
ठीक है, sir.
Thank you for your time. See you in the next class. I think probably tomorrow we are having class, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for tomorrow there is a other assignment schedule. So I think the next group has already got the assignment. Tomorrow there is a presentation of group 1, Adobe case. Group 1 members, are you there? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Group 1? Yeah. So I'm waiting and looking forward to your report for tomorrow. Yeah. So as soon as I receive it, then I will be assigning 1 or 2 questions, and that has to be incorporated in your presentation. Okay. Ritvik.
Yes, sir. So today we have to submit our PPT.
हाँ. उसका ड्राफ्ट मुझे भेजिए एडोब के बारे में. आपका प्रेजेंटेशन आउटलाइन देखने के बाद मैं आप लोगों को 2 क्वेश्चंस भेज दूंगा, ठीक है?
या ओके,
ओवर ईमेल, एंड उसको आपको इनकॉर्पोरेट करना है इन योर फाइनल रिपोर्ट व्हिच यू हैव टू सबमिट फॉर 20 मार्क इवैल्यूएशन, ठीक है? ओके
सर.
या थैंक यू. बाय.
Thank you, sir.
So